Founded in 1994, Zicail has been dedicated to skincare innovation for over 31 years. With more than 25,000 square meters of modern production space, we bring together professional teams in R&D, quality control, design, and customer service, offering one-stop OEM and ODM skincare solutions to clients all over the world. At Zicail, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. We are certified by Halal, FDA, GMPC, CE, ISO, and MSDS, ensuring that every product meets international quality and safety standards. We hold over 20 national patents and 8 certifications for special use cosmetics, including whitening, sun protection, and spot removal. With our strong R&D capabilities and strict quality management, Zicail has helped more than 1,000 brands from Europe, America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa create and grow their own skincare lines successfully. Our factory is equipped with fully automated production lines imported from Germany and Japan. From 50 kilograms to 5,000 kilograms vacuum emulsifying systems, supported by automated ingredient dispensing and cleaning systems, we ensure every batch is produced safely, efficiently, and consistently. Today, Zicail runs 21 automated production lines, with a daily emulsifying capacity of 220 tons. Each day, we produce 310,000 units of liquids, 510,000 bottles of lotions, 350,000 jars of creams, 180,000 bottles of sprays, and 310,000 bottles of gels. Our powerful production capacity and flexible supply chain allow us to deliver every order with precision, quality, and speed. Beyond business success, we take pride in our commitment to social responsibility. Zicail actively contributes to the community through tax compliance, job creation, and public welfare initiatives, supporting a more sustainable future for all. At Zicail, we believe that every brand has the potential to shine. With our expertise, technology, and passion, we're here to help you turn your skincare vision into reality. Zicail, your reliable partner in global skincare manufacturing.